What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to do a little bit of analysis for you today on Bittorent. Now I'm just on the 4H time frame currently. So what you can see, I'm just going to basically focus on this bit of price action here, because this is all that matters. So what you can see, we've been in this downtrend, low, 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 high, low, low, and then we've had this area of consolidation here where I was consolidating there for 2.5 days or so. What's happened overnight is this little area of resistance that was bumping into here and was basically struggling to either go up or down. We've had this 4H candle here break up and above this area. But what I'm looking at here now is this is our previous lower high before putting in this lower low. So what you can see here, we've sort of pushed up and we have closed and broke below this level, but at the minute we are pulling back a little bit. So what you could get here for a bullish continuation, what I'll be looking for potentially is basically price to pull back down into this area, and then we could be looking basically to start pushing back up then. And obviously, of course, we're not just going to go in one straight line like I've drawn it there, but if it just to make things easier for you and visually easier on the eyes, I suspect that we might get this pull back into this area for this will be your break. This is your retest, and then that'll be your continuation back up to them highs. And if so, we'll be looking good when we come into this level, because then you can start looking at these higher areas of resistance that we can start looking into. You can start looking for your long opportunities. There's not really too much to say about it. I'm just going to keep this pretty short and sweet for you. But it's looking fairly positive. We could at this point potentially have this breakout and break back in, and we could possibly be coming back down into these areas, and then you start thinking, right, well, we might tap into these areas here. I like to look at both sides of the coin, and I've mentioned in other videos. I like to have a plan for both directions in which way the price could go. With this being the major lower high before putting in this lower low, this could just be a pullback phase into this area. This could be sort of your breakout and then break back into structure, which does happen a lot. Doesn't necessarily have to be perfectly at this area where you'll come back and retest this area and then come back down. You do sometimes have that's basically the price breaking out and then coming back in. So we'll just keep an eye on this to see what basically happens as and around this bit of area of resistance that we've just run into, because like I say, we could get that breakout and we could sort of pull back into this area of support here and then get that continuation back up. And if we do get that continuation back up, you could be looking for a fairly decent long opportunity of about 9%, but once you start clearing these levels, that's when you start looking pretty bullish all in all for this market that we're looking at the minute. That's it though for this pair today. I'm not going to really say much more about it. I don't think there's much more that I can say about it, to be honest, without just droning on. So that's it though. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back more with some updates for this pair in several days to come, just to update you on things and how prices form basically. That's it though for now, everyone. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.